Hey, it's Jeremy here at the Ontario Regiment Museum in Oshawa. Once again, another behind-the-scenes look at what we're doing, the restoration projects. The museum is closed and we're bringing the museum home to you. So here I'd like to introduce Malcolm. Malcolm is the project leader on the Staghound restoration project. We're currently doing this for the Royal Canadian Dragoons in Petawawa. We've been working on this over a year. Malcolm, you've put so much time into this. Can you tell me, where you are now and what are the next steps for the Staghound?
Sure. We got the Staghound down here because the one engine wouldn't run. It was about a year ago, as Jeremy said. We got it running, and unfortunately, when we were test driving it around the arena, the engine seized, the right-hand engine you can see here. So we pulled the engine out and discovered there was some damage to it caused by a previous rebuild. So we've rebuilt the right-hand engine to allow us to clean up this engine compartment here, which was looking a bit the worse for wear. We pulled the left-hand engine out and painted the interior of the engine compartment, put both engines back in, and that's where we are now. We're doing the final hookups. I test ran both engines yesterday and they both run. So we're ready to do basically all we've got left, as Rich mentioned in another video about the hooking up the fuel system. We have to put the fans and the shrouds on, and then we should be able to take it out for a drive.
So based on the current work, what do you think the ETA is on its first maintenance run in the tank arena?
Within the next couple of weeks.
And I know I won't hold you to it.
No, I know you will.
Okay. So anyways, thank you, Malcolm, and for all the work that you guys do here. So once again, we're at the Ontario Regiment Museum in Oshawa. That's the latest update on the Staghound. Stay tuned in. We'll be releasing these videos, bringing the behind-the-scenes work at the museum home to you during this quarantine period. Be safe out there, and we'll see you next time.